For visual interest, you might want to add transitions between your slides. Transitions are different from animations because they change how the slides change from one another, not what actually happens on the slide itself. So to add a transition, you can click on a slide and then click on the Transitions tab, and then it gives you all of these different options. Once again, we have our More button where you can see different options. I'm going to choose Doors, and it will give me a preview of what it looks like. You can apply different transitions to each slide if you want to, or you can select this one to automatically apply to all of them. You can change the duration for your transition, but I would suggest just leaving it whatever it defaults to. If you click Apply to All, it's going to apply this transition to all of the slides that you have in your presentation. If you want your slides to change without having to click through them, you can click on a slide, and over here in the top right corner under Advanced Slide, instead of on mouse click, you can check After, and then change this to however many seconds you want the slide to stay on the screen. Excuse me. So I'm going to leave it at 12 seconds. Well, we'll leave it at 7 for the title slide. And so now when I go to Slideshow, I click From Beginning, and my slide comes in an interesting way, and we'll wait for 7 seconds. And without clicking, my slide is going to automatically change. And since I had this animation set to automatically go, it's going to automatically start the animation. Now I don't have this slide set to automatically transition, so I'm going to hit Escape to get out of my slideshow, and I'm going to click back on slide number 2, back on my transitions, and then instead of on mouse click, I'm going to check After and change that to 7 seconds as well. If you want to be able to show your PowerPoint presentation without having to click through it and make it look more like a slideshow, you'll want to use transitions and then the timing, the automatic timing.